What is the hide products icon? Okay, so you've become a registered SourceMogul.com member. Yes, welcome to the family. We're looking forward to working with you on becoming a successful online arbitrager. And that's a real word, by the way. You can put that on your LinkedIn profile. Now, by now, you would have started scanning through hundreds, if not thousands of products that you could be selling on Amazon right now. But after scanning the same supplier, the same products keep on coming up. Well, you're seeing the same stock again and again. This has nothing to do with SourceMogul's incredibly sophisticated systems, but rather that the retailer themselves don't change their inventory very often. For example, Walmart may go from month to month and only change around 5% of theirs. And this is where SourceMogul's Hide Products feature really shines through. If there are products that you really are not interested in, simply click the eye icon, and that product will be hidden from your results. That way, you will always be able to spot what is new and take full advantage. It's clever, right? You're like a dolphin if you think about it. Super clever animals. They're so cute the way they squeak and squeal and flip around. It's so smooth. Never touched one. I want to touch it though.